Assalamu alaikum world. May Allah's peace and blessings be upon all of you. I'm making this video because whichever part of the world you belong to, I greatly love you and humanity is above any religion and I want to help you all in this war against coronavirus. Even though we are locked up in houses due to the threats of COVID-19, everyone is suggesting majorly two things. Number one, make best use of our time by doing something, be it exercise or enrolling ourselves in some online studying course, or maybe something as simple as spending quality time with our loved ones. And secondly, major thing they're suggesting is to reflect. That is exactly where I'm caught up, and I'm gonna engage you all for next 5 minutes right here. So I'm gonna start with telling you all a really short story. I have a Christian friend in France. About 4 years ago, she told me that she has been diagnosed with cancer. And while she was still waiting for her following confirmation reports, I shared some verses of Quran with her, which she kept reciting. And to her surprise, the subsequent reports they all came out negative, implying that she was absolutely clean of cancer. The verses of Quran that I could quote to my French friend who was diagnosed with cancer were inherited by me without any hard labor. It was one of the few faith healing remedies that I have seen being practiced at my home in the time of need by my elders who were deeply rooted to the ethos of Islam. I shared, and although being Christian, she recited them and was miraculously healed by the grace of Allah. Even today, she's leading a happy, healthy life as a Christian. So, now having said that, I have some recitations which I want to share with all of you so that you may all be safe against the threats of COVID 19. Now, the question is, why should you believe me? Or why am I saying all this to you? Well, I believe that despite the color of skin, social class, race, religion, nation, or country we are from, we need to stand united against this calamity which has befallen us. Now, the purpose of narrating the incident of my French friend from my life is that I look at you all as my fellow men. And to me, every single life is dear and important. And above any religion, humanity to me is the biggest religion. There are some verses of Quran and du'as which are being circulated among Muslims, which we Muslims are reciting to seek protection from Allah against coronavirus. I want to share them all with you along with their recitation methods so that you all can also recite them and seek Allah's protection against this disease. For those of you who have been affected and wanting to be cured, and for those of you who are still safe and in order to continue being safe and secure from coronavirus, the recitations are a little different. Alright, nowhere am I suggesting that stop following the preventive measures, so kindly keep the hygienic standards intact as prescribed by the doctors. And if you want, you can also bring these recitations in your routine I'm about to mention. But do them with the belief that they will wall you against this deadly coronavirus. Now the next half of my video will explain what and how should you do to do this recitation.
أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. الحمد لله الذي عافاني مما ابتلاك به وفضلني على كثير ممن خلق تفضيلا.
Now the next thing I'm going to share with you is Azan. Azan is Muslims' way of calling the other Muslim fellows to come and offer congregational prayer. Azan is called 5 times a day. Nowadays, many Muslims are giving out azans from not only mosques but also from their houses' rooftops. Apart from 5 fixed prayer timings, azan is being called at odd times, especially at night times. People are also playing it on speakers inside their homes because we Muslims believe that each and every corner where azan can be heard gets clean of every evil, be it germs or ghosts or any negative energy. So kindly play azan on speaker in your house. It will not only defend you against coronavirus, in fact, it will help ward off any other evil as well, inshallah. Thank you. I wish you all to restore health and hope so that once life is back on track, you actually prioritize reading about real Islam, which will be by studying with understanding the holy book Quran and not through the eyes of media or bad followers, bad Islamic followers. Because Quran, my brothers and sisters, is true Islam. I am not asking you to change your religion. All I am requesting here is that give Islam a real chance. Correct Islam deserves to be correctly understood. Quarantined, I reflected to show my love to my fellows. How will you reflect? Thank you. To my Muslim brothers and sisters, it is requested that those of you watching this video kindly share it as much as you can on your Facebook pages so that this message can reach as many non-Muslim brothers and sisters as possible. Non-Muslim brothers and sisters are helping us with the best they have, including medical aid, food, medical equipment, doctors, etc. We should also reciprocate the help with what we know and have best. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.